Ethereum value equivalent to 33,036 rands a coin. The present cost range, 31,899 33,623. The earlier day close, 32,964. The change was plus 72, plus 0.22%. Converse rate, ZAR to ETH. Ethereum cost expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month. Ethereum cost forecast on Tuesday. Walk 21 cost 33,501 rands, high 35,846, low 31,156. Ethereum gauge on Wednesday. Walk 22 cost 32,908 rands, high 35,212, low 30,604. Ethereum cost forecast on Thursday. Walk 23 cost 35,772 rands, high 38,276, low 33,268. Ethereum gauge on Friday. Walk 24 cost 36,071 rands, high 38,596, low 33,546. In multi-week Ethereum cost expectation on Monday. Walk 27 cost 34,772 rands, high 37,206, low 32,338. Ethereum conjecture on Tuesday. Walk 28 cost 34,852 rands, high 37,292, low 32,412. Ethereum cost expectation on Wednesday. Walk 29 cost 36,720 rands, high 39,290, low 34,150. Ethereum conjecture on Thursday. Walk 30 cost 39,550 rands, high 42,319, low 36,782. Ethereum cost expectation on Friday. Walk 31 cost 41,267 rands, high 44,156, low 38,378. In about 14 days Ethereum conjecture on Monday. April 3 cost 41,990 rands, high 44,929, low 39,051. Ethereum cost expectation on Tuesday. April 4 cost 38,868 rands, high 41,589, low 36,147. Ethereum conjecture on Wednesday. April 5 cost 38,272 rands, high 40,951, low 35,593. Ethereum cost expectation on Thursday. April 6 cost 37,856 rands, high 40,506, low 35,206. Ethereum conjecture on Friday. April 7 cost 37,642 rands, high 40,277, low 35,007. In 3 weeks Ethereum cost expectation on Monday. April 10 cost 37,623 rands, high 40,257, low 34,989. Ethereum estimate on Tuesday. April 11 cost 37,895 rands, high 40,548, low 35,242. Ethereum cost forecast on Wednesday. April 12 cost 36,274 rands, high 38,813, low 33,735. Ethereum estimate on Thursday. April 13 cost 35,894 rands, high 38,407, low 33,381. Ethereum cost forecast on Friday. April 14 cost 37,543 rands, high 40,171, low 34,915. In about a month Ethereum estimate on Monday. April 17 cost 36,995 rands, high 39,585, low 34,405. Ethereum cost forecast on Tuesday. April 18 cost 36,566 rands, high 39,126, low 34,006. Ethereum estimate on Wednesday. April 19 cost 37,895 rands, high 40,548, low 35,242. Ethereum value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Ethereum cost expectation for Walk 2023. To start with cost at 29,363 rands. Exorbitant cost 44,156, while low cost 25,697. The found the middle value of cost 35,121. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end 41,267. Change for spring 40.5%. Ethereum estimate for April 2023. First and foremost, cost at 41,267 rands. Exorbitant cost 51,221, while low cost 33,381. The found the middle value of cost 43,435. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end 47,870. Change for April 16.0%. Ethereum cost expectation for May 2023. Before all else, cost at 47,870 rands. Excessive cost 54,572, while low cost 47,432. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 50,219. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end 51,002. Change for May 6.5%. Ethereum figure for June 2023. Initially cost at 51,002 rands. Excessive cost 63,303. While low cost 51,002. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 56,117. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end 59,162. Change for June 16.0%. Ethereum cost expectation for July 2023. At the outset, cost at 59,162 rands. Excessive cost 59,162, while low cost 50,380. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 55,687. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end 54,105. Change for July 8.5%. Ethereum conjecture for August 2023. At the outset, cost at 54,105 rands. Excessive cost 54,105, while low cost 42,267. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 48,981. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end 45,448. Change for August 16.0%. Ethereum cost expectation for September 2023. At the outset, cost at 45,448 rands. Excessive cost 56,410, while low cost 45,448. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 50,007. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end 52,720. Change for September 16.0%. Ethereum conjecture for October 2023. At the outset, cost at 52,720 rands. Excessive cost 52,720, while low cost 44,489. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 49,442. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end 47,838. Change for October 9.3%. Ethereum cost expectation for November 2023. Before all else, cost at 47,838 rands. Excessive cost 48,816, while low cost 42,428. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 46,176. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end 45,000.